Alright, looks like the holding tank is full on the road truck, so it's time to pump it out. We're going to do things a little bit differently this time round. So I'm actually hooked up to the house, so we'll see how this goes. I've got a Camco black water hose hooked up to the pump, and then going into the house I've tied into the soil stack. So I came off, I think, with a 2-inch and went into a hose barb adapter. So this hose, if we can see it, it'll say not for drinking water use. And the intent here is that I'm going to put like a little hose reel here so I can dump this out whenever we get home from a trip. We don't use campgrounds too often, and when we do, we don't necessarily want to hang around and pump out. So I got the van plugged in for some power. I don't know if all road checks are like this or not, but it had like a 30 amp twist lock. So I got a 30 amp twist lock adapter with an LED light to tell me when I'm plugged in. And it's not lit up. That's a bad sign, isn't it? Yeah, we're lit up now. Alright, so this one's got the switch over here. The back valve is for the black water, so I think we'll do that one first. Something's happening. Going through. Yeah, well, the nose is pushing against a bit of restriction. Hopefully that thing doesn't blow off. It's going away. So this is like right on the stack, so there's no venting necessary. The road truck's got a vent in the roof. So it would be nice if I had the short, clear tubing so that I can tell, like during winterizing, that I've got the winterizing fluid through. So I've never had this hose extend like this before, so that's something you'll want to try out the first time and be prepared for leaks, because normally it's not pressurized. Alright, so the black water tank is done now. Gray water didn't have nearly as much in it. Soon. I'd say it's not pumping anymore. Alright, so there you go. So that worked out without any events. This hose, I think it's like 25 feet long. So it's not super long, but luckily the road truck hose extends so I can kind of meet in the middle. So it should fit if you got your soil stack at the back of the garage. You don't want to be pumping up, because when you disconnect you're going to have a bit of a surprise. So I'll have to kind of lift this up and slope the water out to the stack there to get it cleared out. And I'll have a bit of drippage, so I got pails to deal with that. I can flush that down the toilet. Just wanted to show you my experiment. I'm going to fill up the black water tank and rinse it out. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you found this useful.